So this is kind of a cheat, something I came up with. Works pretty good. So what we did is we're using the stops on the drill press so we can rotate it up. So we decided we're going to change the spring out, but this is a super easy and convenient way to do it. It's something I came up with a while back, and it's really, really easy to use. We get it down pretty close, hit the screw, lock it down so it holds it, and now we can kind of take some time. We have all the time we need. Leave a little bit of a gap there. We can get all of our screws in here lined up, and we're not risking trying to strip anything out and not trying to hold it and clamp it and get 2 screws in and have a midget and 3 kids over here trying to hold the top as we're putting the screws in. Everything's super easy, super convenient. That's it. I want to show you a little bit of that hack is all.
Are you just using it kind of just to push it down?
Yep.
Just for the spring?
Mm-hmm.
I was just like, what are you drilling? I was just curious. Hey, that's cool as shit, boss. Makes sense.
That's why I'm doing a YouTube video on it right now. So anybody with a drill press can do this stuff at home. Normally, I'd be saying, hey, Chino, hold this for me. Hey, Chino, put the screws in for me.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. I can't hold it no more.
Come on, man. Can't feel my toes. Yeah, you like this, huh? So it holds it and everything right inside here. It's this way. This is staying pressurized, and if you keep it just above where you can still rotate it, you can line the screws up a little bit, you know. And it makes the life a lot easier, especially when it had like an 18-pound spring in it, you know.